Your petals may fall, you may will.
Hi there, and welcome to Korth Backyard Farms. Today we are going to find out if growing your own carrots at home is effective and efficient, or if I have been completely wasting my time and should just be buying them from the grocery store. So without further ado, let's dig in. So this bed is 1 meter wide by about 7 meters long, and I planted 5 rows of carrots earlier this summer. Root crops are really one of my favorite crops to grow because you never know what you're going to get. Lots of little baby carrots. So the variety of carrots that are planted here are called Scarlet Nance. Pretty typical seed that you can get at any garden center in the spring. As you can see, we're underneath quite a bit of shade, so we didn't give these carrots the best opportunity, but they're still managing to do all right. We've been slowly picking away at some of these. I think so far we've harvested about 4 pounds. After today, I'm hoping that we'll get to 30 or 35 pounds. That would be great. There's a nice thick one. Not very long, but our soil is does have quite a bit of clay in it, so it's tough for the carrots to get really deep. Now you can just go along and pull them up from their leaves. I just find with our soil, it is a little bit easier. We get less breakage to use a fork. Lots of dogs barking in the neighborhood. I don't know if the mic will pick that up. So over the entire season, I think I factor that I've put about maybe 5 hours of work into these carrots after preparing the soil, planting, and then odd weeding here and there. So it hasn't been a whole lot of work so far. They mostly got watered by the rain. If we had a particularly dry week, I would come out with the hose to give them a weed in or a water in. I also didn't thin any of the carrots. I just let them grow. So we're going to get some big ones and some little ones as well. We're getting lots of nice carrots. We're going to try to preserve these in a couple different ways. Probably blanch some and freeze them. We'll keep quite a few fresh in the fridge. They'll keep for about 4 weeks. And then we might try to pickle them. Yeah, we'll just have to see. Maybe we'll make another video about that. Nice. Yeah, we're not getting very many long carrots. That's expected, though. We'll get lots that try to grow legs and run away. Lots of little baby carrots. Next year we'll definitely try to grow them somewhere else that gets a little bit more sun. Now, if you are growing carrots at home, it's your first year growing them, you don't actually have to pull them up all at once. I want to get a cover crop onto here, but the carrots will survive in the soil past the last or the first frost date. So if you're not feeling like pulling yours up yet, don't rush out to do it. Oh, there's a good size one. It's not bad. A few weeds in here, but that's all right. I weeded this bed. I gave it 2 good significant weeds throughout the season. Yeah, nothing too extensive. A lot of people will say that carrots really do not like to compete with other plants, which I guess is true to some extent. We didn't have too much weed pressure here, so. We also had really great germination rates. It's looking like just about every seed that we put into the bed germinated. It's fantastic.
shades of yellow turn to blue. Where do you go when you don't know what to do? You put it on the line, you put it on hold. Time grabs you by the wrist and directs you where to go. Little sunflower, I see your glow. Little sunflower, one day you'll go. And it don't matter if you don't know. You'll push through all of your lows. Your petals may fall, you may wilt, but don't you know how strongly you were built? You have to turn to face the sun. You bring so much joy to everyone. Little sunflower, I see your glow. Little sunflower, one day you'll go. And it don't matter if you don't know. You'll push through all of your lows. Little sunflower, I see your glow. Even if you're feeling alone, little sunflower, one day you'll grow. Little sunflower, please don't lose hope.
All right, so there's our bed of carrots pulled up. We've got 3 nice little mounds of carrots for me to clean. Once you get your carrots pulled up, make sure to take the greens off of them, or else the carrot will go wilty. And a wilty carrot is a sad carrot. Nobody wants to put a wilty carrot in their mouth.